Hi, my name is Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they know what to rank it for. You'll actually see that you don't have any H1 tags. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website, which would be in place of this Liberty plumbing. It's the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. The metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Santa Rosa plumbing. All these blue lines, they're the metadata. You can see that the top guy, he's talking about Santa Rosa plumbing, and that's why they're in the top position. When you pull yours, your title tag is actually Liberty Plumbing Santa Rosa. I bet if you Googled Liberty Plumbing Santa Rosa, then you'd be the top spot because Google sees that and thinks that's what your page is about. So if somebody were to Google that, you'd be at the top, but obviously nobody's going to Google that when they're looking for a plumber. They're gonna Google plumber or Santa Rosa plumber. They're going to Google Santa Rosa plumber, Santa Rosa plumbing, or some kind of similar keyword. Those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just to see these small little changes will really help you rank. Also, if you're ever going to Google yourself, a lot of owners like to Google themselves, but don't use Google because if you Google your keyword, you might find yourself, let's say, I think I found you like on page, I think you were on page 3 here. Let's look here. You were down here on page 3. Then as the weeks go by, you keep checking the same Santa Rosa plumbing, and slowly Google's going to start moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. Instead, you really want to use a third-party tool. We actually use Rank Tracker. If you want, you can get a free subscription for a month, and it's just, you just put in the URL and then put in the keywords, and it'll pull up your ranking, and it'll check it every single day. I actually have you pulled up here, and you can see right now you're not really ranked very well. You're ranked like, you're on the 5th, 6th page here for this keyword. You're probably bottom of the 3rd page here for these. You're down here like 7th, 8th page. So you really need to, if you can change these keywords, ranking, it'll really, just changing your H1 and metadata based on whatever your keyword is, you'll super fast get you to page 1. And then I see also on your website they do other things like install water heaters, earthquake valve installations, things like that. We can also fix your website to make it more appealing, but more importantly, to get you ranked on the first page of Google, which could most likely double your income because that's where 80 to 90% of traffic is. I mean, most people don't check past page 1. I know I never do. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time and I wish you success.